Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's lesson. We are going to practice what we've been learning about whole part models and comparison models in word problems. Okay, first, let's review what a whole part model looks like. With a whole part model, we've got one subject divided into parts. There might be two parts, there might even be three. You'll notice that a whole part model is a lot like a bar model version of a number bond. We've got a whole, which is a total, and we've got a part and another part. When you see a word problem that's a whole part model, you'll find words like all together, in all, left or left over, and total. That's how you can know that you're working with a whole part model. With a comparison model, you're dealing with two different subjects. One is a bigger number, and one is a smaller number. And of course, there's a difference between them. You'll hear words like more than, less than, fewer than, how many more, how many fewer, or how much less. Let's take a look at an example, and we can see how these will look in word problems. Okay, let's see if we can figure out what kind of question this is. Jenny bought 26 markers. She bought 15 markers more than Anne. How many markers did Anne buy? Let's circle our key words. More than. That's gotta be it. More than. And anytime we're doing something that's more than, or less than, or fewer than, or anything like that, we're going to use a comparison model. Because we're comparing two things. One, and then something else that is more than or less than it. That's two different things. So let's draw our bigger box and our smaller box for our comparison model. There's going to be a number here, and a number for the difference, right here. Now let's fill in what we know. Jenny bought 26 markers. She bought 15 markers more than Anne. So who bought more, Jenny or Anne? Well, Jenny did, for sure. Okay, what about... if Anne is the smaller box, what numbers can we fill in? Jenny bought 26 markers. Where's that going to go? In Jenny's box. Next, she bought 15 markers more than Anne. Where's that going to go? In the difference or in Anne's box? Is that how many markers Anne has, or is that how many more Jenny has than Anne? That's right, it's going to go in the difference then. Okay, now we know the total, and we know the difference, and we're trying to figure out the small box. So what do we have to do? We have to put our subtraction hat on. That's right. Subtraction action. Here we go. Let's write out our number sentence. 26 minus 15 equals, and we can solve it in column form. 26 minus 15. Awesome! It doesn't even look like there's any borrowing. This is going to be easy peasy. 6 minus 5 is 1. And 2 minus 1? Well, that's just 1 again. Wowee! We got 11. 11 must be how many Anne bought. Good job, everyone. Did you get the same answer? All right, there's plenty more practice to be had. Let's go!